The Finance Book, Understand the Numbers Even If You're Not a Finance Professional by Michael E. Thompson is an insightful and approachable guide designed to demystify the complex world of finance for non-finance professionals. It is tailored to individuals who may not have a formal finance background but want to gain a solid understanding of financial concepts in order to make informed decisions in their personal or professional lives. The book takes a step-by-step approach, explaining finance in simple terms, while also covering the fundamental principles that are essential for grasping the financial aspects of business and personal finances. The book opens with a clear explanation of why understanding finance is crucial. Thompson stresses that financial knowledge is not just for accountants, bankers, or CFOs, but is an essential skill for everyone. Whether you're a business owner, an employee, or someone managing personal finances, understanding the numbers behind the scenes can help you make better decisions, assess opportunities, and avoid risks. This foundational idea sets the tone for the entire book, establishing the importance of financial literacy in everyday life. In the first part of the book, Thompson covers the key financial statements that anyone should know, as these are the primary tools used to evaluate the financial health of a company or personal situation. He breaks down the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement in a way that anyone can understand, even without any prior knowledge of accounting or finance. The balance sheet, which shows a company's assets, liabilities, and equity, is explained in terms of its usefulness in evaluating a company's stability and financial structure. Thompson then delves into the income statement, which provides a snapshot of a company's revenues, expenses, and profits over a given period. Finally, he explores the cash flow statement, which tracks the movement of cash in and out of a business, highlighting its ability to pay bills and fund operations. Thompson explains how to use these statements to assess a company's financial performance and position, and how to interpret key financial metrics like profit margins and liquidity ratios. The next chapters focus on the core concepts of assets, liabilities, equity, and revenue. Thompson explains these fundamental terms in an easily digestible way, showing readers how they come together to form the foundation of a company's financial structure. By understanding what makes up assets, liabilities, and equity, readers can begin to appreciate how businesses create value and how financial decisions affect these key components. The author also delves into revenue, explaining its role in a company's growth and profitability. By understanding these building blocks, readers will have the foundation needed to interpret financial statements and make decisions based on them. Thompson then shifts focus to the crucial relationship between risk and return. One of the most important concepts in finance is that higher risk typically comes with the potential for higher returns. Thompson explains this relationship in a straightforward manner, helping readers understand how investors weigh risk against reward. The book covers basic investment principles, discussing the importance of diversification to mitigate risk. Diversification, which involves spreading investments across different asset classes, is explained as a key strategy for reducing the volatility of a portfolio. Thompson also introduces asset allocation as another important concept, emphasizing that the strategic distribution of investments across various assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., is vital for optimizing the balance between risk and return. Another critical area the book covers is corporate finance. In these chapters, Thompson explains how businesses raise capital either through equity, selling shares, or debt, taking on loans or issuing bonds. He breaks down the process of fundraising, showing how companies decide which source of funding is best suited for their growth and expansion. The book also discusses how businesses use their financial resources to invest in projects that will create value and generate profits. Corporate finance topics such as the cost of capital and capital budgeting are addressed in a manner that helps readers understand how companies make decisions about investing in long-term assets or ventures. The author then transitions to explaining the concept of financial ratios, which are used to evaluate the performance and health of a business. Thompson highlights some of the most important ratios, such as profitability ratios, return on equity, return on assets, liquidity ratios, current ratio, quick ratio, and leverage ratios, debt-to-equity ratio. These ratios provide a quick snapshot of a company's ability to generate profits, meet its financial obligations, and manage debt. Thompson explains each ratio in detail, showing how they can be applied to both businesses and personal finances. He emphasizes how these ratios can be used to assess financial performance and make comparisons across companies or industries. In the later chapters, the focus shifts to personal finance. Thompson explains how individuals can apply financial principles to manage their money, plan for the future, and make smart decisions about savings and investments. Personal finance topics covered include budgeting, debt management, insurance, and retirement planning. Thompson emphasizes the importance of creating a budget to track income and expenses, as well as setting financial goals that can guide one's spending and saving habits. He discusses strategies for managing and reducing debt, stressing the importance of maintaining a healthy credit score and using credit wisely. The book also covers the basics of insurance, helping readers understand the different types of insurance they may need to protect themselves and their families. In terms of retirement planning, Thompson explains the concept of time value of money and how it applies to saving for the future, outlining different retirement accounts and investment options available to individuals. As the book moves into investing, Thompson provides an overview of various investment vehicles, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. He explains the risks and rewards associated with each type of investment and offers practical advice on how to build a diversified portfolio that suits one's risk tolerance and financial goals. Thompson provides a detailed explanation of the stock market, how stocks are traded, and how they fit into the broader economy. He also explains bonds, highlighting how they function as debt instruments and how interest rates impact their value. The book introduces mutual funds and ETFs as ways to gain exposure to a broad range of assets, offering a convenient option for those who want to diversify without picking individual stocks. Finally, Thompson touches on real estate as an investment class, discussing the potential benefits and risks involved. The book concludes with a discussion of financial planning and how to create a long-term financial strategy. Thompson encourages readers to take a proactive approach to their finances, regularly reviewing their goals and adjusting their strategies as needed. He provides guidance on how to set clear financial goals, create actionable plans, and track progress over time. The book concludes by reinforcing the importance of financial literacy and how understanding finance, even at a basic level, can significantly improve one's ability to make smart financial decisions. In conclusion, the finance book, Understand the Numbers Even If You're Not a Finance Professional, is a valuable resource for anyone looking to gain a better understanding of finance, regardless of their background. Michael E. Thompson simplifies complex concepts and provides readers with the tools and knowledge they need to interpret financial data, evaluate business performance, make informed investment decisions, and manage personal finances. Through clear explanations, practical examples, and actionable advice, this book serves as a useful guide for anyone eager to improve their financial literacy and take control of their financial future.